What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 16th episode of the Investing Penguin. Covered calls and cash secured puts. We've added more subscribers since the last video, so a quick shout out to our newest subscriber, Big Chuck. And for everyone else, please subscribe and share this channel with your investment friends. I hope this channel will help you with your investing. And if you are new to my channel, then stick around as I reveal the numbers using Chevron stock, and stick around till the end as I share some interesting facts about OPEC and the Cooke band. And please hit all those buttons. It's supposed to help all my YouTube algorithms and make me filthy rich like those Saudi oil families. For those of you who don't know me, I am the Penguin. And in this video, I want to share with you my success with Chevron stock using covered calls. Between March and October of 2021, I profited $7,513.06 on Chevron using covered calls. I rode that stock like a circus pony, making crazy high annualized returns the whole time. So stay away from those oil barrels like in those Hollywood movies, because this video is going to be explosive. In 2020, the price of oil got hammered due to COVID, and the price of a barrel of oil actually went negative at one point. But that's a whole nother video. During COVID, I really didn't think oil prices were going to stay low forever, so I took a chance of buying Chevron and other oil stocks. And I used covered calls and cash secured puts with Chevron throughout 2020 and 2021. I bought Chevron many times, writing covered calls and making great annualized returns. Rinse and repeat, baby. The covered calls helped me weather the downside risk of owning Chevron because oil stocks can move quickly with the price of oil. The cash secured puts also helped me generate cash flow, and we all love cash flow. I can remember when Jim Cramer said oil stocks and bank stocks were basically dead during COVID, and he was pumping Tesla up everyone's skirt. Just listening to Cramer slam oil stocks, it ignited the contrarian in me, and that was another reason to buy oil stocks. Now in 2021, oil and energy stocks are outperforming the markets, due in part to Biden and his policies. Great if you own oil stocks, sucks when you're filling up at the pump. So this is where the money machine kicks in. The money tree really grows. Check this out. On March 23rd, I bought 500 shares of Chevron at $102.81 a share for a cost of $51,405. Then between March and October, I executed 11 covered call contracts, generating over $3,500 in profits. I also collected 2 dividend payments, generating $1,340 in dividends. On Friday, October 15th, Chevron closed above $108 a share, hitting my strike price. So the following Monday, my 500 shares of Chevron were sold at $108 a share. I made a profit of $7,513.06 for 209 days, which is a 25.52% annualized return. And that is a great return. Here's a breakdown of all those trades, color-coded and easy to understand. Here's a snapshot of all those trades, just so you know this is legit and I'm not blowing smoke. As you can see, between March of 2021 and October of 2021, I rode Chevron stock like a circus pony, making money and great returns. Here's a graph of Chevron stock between March of 2021 and October of 2021. So I hear Wall Street gurus say you can't catch a falling knife, and there is truth to that. So I use covered calls to lessen the pain of catching that falling knife. And you also can't predict the top, and sometimes investors are hesitant to take profits due to FOMO, fear of missing out. Even after I sold my Chevron stock in October, it continued higher. Am I upset about it? No. My return is over 25%. I locked in my profits. Taking profits is a good thing, and using covered calls helps me lock in those profits. And you can also see on the graph the 2 dividend payments that I captured. That's the icing on the cake. Well, that's it. Time flies when you're having fun. Having fun making money, that is. I'm working on more videos, and drop your comments below. And stick around for 10 more seconds as I share some interesting facts about OPEC and the Cooke band. If you don't know who OPEC is, then listen up. Basically, OPEC controls most of the world's oil supply. From their website, the mission of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, is to coordinate and unify the petroleum policies of its member countries and ensure the stabilization of oil markets in order to secure an efficient, economic, and regular supply of petroleum to consumers, a steady income to producers, and a fair return on capital for those investing in the petroleum industry. Now, I'm not an attorney, but in the United States, and according to the Federal Trade Commission website, this would be called price fixing and violates antitrust laws. So you have to ask yourself, do we, the United States, really want to be dependent on OPEC and foreign countries for our supply of oil and energy?
Oh, the oil field's dark as the money is green.
Money Music, the Chad Cooke band, Oil Man. Check out this song on their website. It really makes you think how hard good American people work to support their families, and how fortunate we are to be living in such a great country and have all these freedoms and conveniences. The gas in your tank, the heat in your house, the plane ticket home for Thanksgiving, the propane to cook your deep fried turkey, all happens thanks to the people that work in the oil and energy industry. Until we get the 100% green energy, let's treat these people with respect today and during the Thanksgiving season. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am only sharing my experiences and opinions. Investing involves risk, so please seek advice and educate yourself.